You've probably already heard about play-based learning at VLC.
That we're inspired by the world's best practices. So we have less homework than other schools and no traditional exams.
A child's relationship with oneself and others trumps academic success.
Our kids love coming to school. Like literally, they refuse to leave.
So how do we do it?
STEM.
Stamp!
STEM.
Stamp!
Stamp!
So, what is STAMP all about? Stories and science, technology, art, math and mindfulness, and of course, lots and lots of play. In elementary school, even though the children are progressing into a different kind of learning environment than preschool, with more structure and focus on academics, the heart and soul of VLC education remains the child-centered approach that it has always been, allowing each child to grow at their own pace and capacity.
But there is different. Very good. Please give us a big hand of applause.
During preschool at VLC, we spend time working to integrate meaningful connections to literacy that spark curiosity and interest. When kids come to elementary school starting at grade 1, they are excited and ready to delve further into the world of reading and writing. These are two indispensable developmental skills that influence kids' ability to communicate and make their way into the world of advanced learning.
Black kitten had long legs.
Long legs?
And it's curved from the top.
Is it?
Our kids have so much to say and express. Therefore, great emphasis is placed on their oracy skills as we continually encourage them to ask great questions and find answers together working in teams. With math, science, and English as our core subjects, we trust our facilitators' expertise by giving them the freedom to be independent and provide them the space to plan lessons and activities that continually pique their students' interest and keep them engaged as they learn. Modules are a big part of the learning experience at VLC. Exposure to modules allow children to explore their area of interest in a manner that integrates with the rest of the curriculum, be it cooking as a prelude to coding or art as a doorway into the world of engineering. We make sure each experience is both fun and challenging. Yoga at VLC is done through the help of stories. Carpentry teaches math concepts and life skills. Physical activities like taekwondo and gymnastics work on muscle strength, balance, and flexibility, while mindfulness increases body awareness, presence of mind, and emotional regulation. So, at the end of the day, our focus is the holistic development and well-being of our students. Our goal is to create lifelong learners and leaders who are self-aware, resilient, creative and courageous, compassionate, and brilliantly curious.